Making sense of mixed conditionals in English grammar. Hello and welcome back to our grammar series. In today's video, we're going to delve into the world of mixed conditionals and understand how they differ from the regular conditional sentences we use every day. This video should help you enhance your understanding and use of English conditionals. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Conditionals are sentences with two clauses, an if clause and a main clause, that express hypothetical situations and their potential consequences. There are four common types of conditionals in English: 0, first, second, and third conditionals. However, there's another important type to consider: mixed conditionals. Mixed conditionals are, as the name suggests, a mix of different types of conditionals. They are complex sentences which contain a main clause from one type of conditional and an if clause from another. Mixed conditionals are usually used to express a contrast between the condition and the result, and they often refer to an unreal past condition and its probable present or future result. Here's an example of a mixed conditional. If I had worked harder at school, I would be in a better job now. In this sentence, if I had worked harder at school is a condition in the past, third conditional, and I would be in a better job now is a probable present result, second conditional. The main difference between mixed conditionals and regular conditionals lies in the time reference. While regular conditionals maintain a consistent time reference, present, past, or future, in both clauses, mixed conditionals don't. They mix the time references to express complex hypothetical scenarios. Moreover, mixed conditionals express a stronger sense of unreality than some regular conditionals. They describe situations that didn't happen in the past and their potential effects in the present or future. Being able to construct and use mixed conditionals correctly can significantly improve your expressiveness and fluency in English. Mixed conditionals allow you to talk about hypothetical scenarios more accurately, offering a nuanced perspective that is not possible with regular conditionals. And that brings us to the end of our lesson on mixed conditionals. Remember, practice is key when it comes to mastering any new grammar point. So, try using mixed conditionals in your own sentences and see how they can transform the way you express complex ideas. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video useful in understanding the differences between mixed and regular conditionals. Happy learning!